Welcome back to Dropout Trades, everybody. You know what day it is. It is Sunday, so that means that we're going to be going over our trading plans and our trading setups for this week. Now, in this video, I'm going to be going over Tesla and SPY. Now, if you watched the last video, we had some crazy gains this week from last Sunday, okay? Hit almost every single trade setup that I put out last Sunday, and it was big moves. And I do think that this week we're going to have big moves again. So this is definitely a video you want to watch till the end. Make sure you have all your trading plans and all your trading setups in place. Take all this free game and free knowledge that I'm giving out to you. All right, let's get into it. All right, so first one up is going to be the SPY. As always, we're going to start with the support and resistance levels, and then we're going to get into our trading plan. So we got 409s, 412.50s, 415s, 30s, 418.30s, 420s, 422s, 425s, 425.82s, 431.90s, so 432s, 436s, 438.40s, 440s, 444s, 446.40s, and 448s. All right, let's get into a lower time frame and let's make our trading plan. This was a crazy week on SPY. It came all the way down to the 422 areas. If you watched the last video I posted last Sunday, I said if this breaks the 434s and breaks that 429, I will play it all the way down to the 422.40s area. I will not get out at 425s. I will just hold it all the way to 422.40s. And that's exactly what happened. Huge trade this week. I'm very happy with it. All my students are happy with it. If you followed the last trading plan, you're very happy with it. Anyways, what I think for this week on SPY, this is what I'm thinking for the trade. I want to see if we can break either 422s or 432s. If we can break 432s for the downside, I will not play it all the way down to 420s. Once we break this 420s, I will play it. I will probably play it all the way to 417s to be on the safe side. 417s to 417.30, 40s. If it keeps going down, the next place I would play it would be here. So it'd be 412.40s. If we can break the 412, so basically like 411.50s, then the next place I would exit would be at around 409.50s. 409.50s, that would be a nice little trade. It's about $2-3 depending on where you enter and where you exit. For the upside though, that's where it would be a little bit more of a profit. I want to see it break this 432s. I don't see a point in playing it in between here unless we start building like a nice range, and that we'll see throughout the week. And if we do, I will make an update video on it. But other than that, I wouldn't play it until it broke this 432. Now, once it broke this 432s, I would want to see it around 432.50s to 433s. Make sure overall market sentiment is good and it's holding. And then I would enter the calls, and where I would exit would probably be around 435s or 435.50s if I'm feeling extra confident. If it broke the 436s, I don't think I will play it. The next place I will play it would be if it broke the 440s. If we can break this 440s, then I would play it all the way up to 442.50. Not that big of a deal, but still would be a very nice trade. I'll make more updated videos throughout the week on this trade, and we'll see where it goes from there. Let's get into Tesla now. All right, let's get into the support and resistance levels. So we got 212s, 218.50s, 223.50s, 228s, 232.50s, 235s, 239s, 246, 255s, 257, 258s, 260s, 265s, 269s, 271.50s, 275s, and 280s, 281s. All right, let's get into a lower time frame. Real quick before we get into this trading setup, if you find these videos helpful, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm a lot, okay? I do this just for you guys, so it would definitely mean a lot to me. Now, if you have any questions or something that you would like to see more, or my thought process on trading, or any tips that you think might help you out, please let me know down in the comments below. I would love to answer. I'm going to try to get to as many as I can. And other than that, let's get into this trading plan. All right, so as you can tell, Tesla's been very rocky this week. My trading plan for it, let's see, let's get into it. I would want to see Tesla either break this 434s for the downside we're talking, okay? If we break this 434s, I would not play it. If we break this 432s, I will definitely play it all the way down to the 428.50s, 429s. Depends on how it's looking that day. If we can break this 428s, and I would say if we can break like the 427s, you know, like below the 427s, then I would play it all the way down to the 423.50s, 424s, maybe even 418s. It depends on how it's looking this week. For the upside, 254s doesn't really excite me. I don't see anything here for breaks that. 258s, not really as well. 260s, this is what I want to see a break. Okay, so I would want to see a break this 260s. If we can break this 260s, then I would play it all the way up to 265. Yeah, I would play it all the way up to the 264s. I don't know if I would exit actually. I would just keep a very tight stop loss behind it because I think we might even reach the 266 to 268s. Okay, so that's my trading plan on Tesla for this week. Not much. We have to see in what direction we're going to be going. You have both direction trades over here, and I will make updated videos for this week on it. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.